Okay, so welcome to tutorial 13 on the Studiologic Sledge. We're going to be having a look at some of the digital aspects of the Studiologic Sledge, and as a starting point we're going to use the sound that I did for the last tutorial, Take On Me, which I've programmed in here, and obviously that's a bit of the sound. That sound uses the wavetable on oscillator 1, and it uses other sounds on the other two oscillators. What we're going to do is take out oscillator 3 and have a look at something called frequency modulation by oscillator 1. We'll do that in a second. In fact, we'll just take out that second oscillator and concentrate on the wavetable. So the wavetable there is using the 24th one out of 66, and there is a different value to that there. Now, as I scroll through the waveform, or rather the numeric value of that variation, you can hear all sorts of harmonics coming in. Some of these are kind of quite bell-like, and some of them they're obviously very digital sounding. If we use oscillator 2 as well as this on a sine waveform here, but we use frequency modulation by oscillator 1, this has the effect of emphasizing the digital aspects of the waveform that's produced in this wavetable. So some of these sounds are quite sort of Japanesey, using a subtle bit of pitch bend. And we can also just scroll through some of the wavetables here. To see what other sounds are available. Now I've prepared some preset sounds in here so that it saves me having to just fiddle with two knobs. So 305 gives us a koto sound. The next one is a variation. Next one is a variation on that one. And each of these presets, that as I've done them there, contains a different harmonic content of the waveform. Go to number 4. This is a less, well, less sustain on there. Number 5. Produce some really nice effects. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9 I've designated as a lead kind of sound. The next one is a clavinet type waveform. The next one is a variation of that. And the final one that we're going to have a look at is a kind of a clavichord sound, or harpsichord is kind of a probably a bit more accurate. And these are all sounds that are associated with digital synths. So have a little experiment yourself. All you have to do is set this up as I've set it up, and just have a little twiddle with this knob here. And this one here. There's all sorts of lovely sounds you can get with that.